The histogram below shows the weights of athletes at a gym. We need to work out an estimate for the interquartile range, which is the upper quartile, take away the lower quartile. In order to find those weights, the weight of the upper quartile and the lower quartile, we need to know how many people there are in total, so we can figure out what the upper quartile person and the lower quartile person would be. So we need to know how many people there are. That's given by the area of each bar. So for the first bar, its height is 0.6, its width is 15, so the area 15 times 0.6 is 9. Second bar, its height is 1.6, its width is 10, so the area 10 times 1.6 is 16. Next bar, the width is 5, and its height is 5. So 5 times 5 for the area is 25. And the final bar, its height is 0.5, its width is 20, so 20 times 0.5 for the area, which is 10. So we can work out the total number of athletes by adding those numbers together. The 9 plus 16 plus 25 plus 10 is 60. There are 60 athletes in total, which means that the lower quartile would be the 15th athlete because of 1/4 of 60. The upper quartile is going to be the 45th athlete because of 3/4 of 60. So we're looking for the weight of the 15th athlete, the weight of the 45th athlete, and then we're going to take those away. So let's find those from our histogram. Let me just tidy my histogram up a little bit by removing those numbers there. Right, so the 15th athlete. Well, we know the first 9 athletes are all there. We need the 15th, so we need 6 more athletes, which is going to be within that 16. So I'm going to say that the 15th athlete is going to be roughly here, where there's 6 athletes there. So we're going to get the 9 plus the 6 gets me to the 15th athlete. What's this width? Because remember, this is the weight here. That's what I want to know. I want to know the weight of the 15th athlete, so I want to know that number. But I've just drawn that line roughly at the moment. I don't know it's exactly there, but I can work out where it should be because the area of this bar here is 6. Its height is 1.6, which means the width of that bar will be 6 divided by 1.6, which is 3.75. So the width here is 3.75. So if this is 75 and we add 3.75 to that, we get 78.75. So the line I drew should probably have been more like there, but it doesn't matter. We've got our lower quartile now. We, though, need to get the upper quartile as well and then take them away. So the upper quartile is the 45th person. So where is the 45th person? We've got 9 people here. We've got 16 people there, so that takes me up to 25 so far. I need 20 more people to get to the 45th person. So I need 20 people within this bar here. So I want a bar here where there is 20 people so that I can have the 9 people plus the 16 people plus the 20 people, which gets me to the 45th person. So the question then is, well, what's the weight of that 20th person? So what's this width of this bar? The area of the bar was 20. The height of the bar is 5. So 5 times the width is 20. The width is 20 divided by 5, which is 4. So the width of that bar is 4. If this is 85, we're going to have 85 plus 4 is 89. That's my upper quartile. And so we can then take them away for the interquartile range. The upper quartile, take away the lower quartile, is 10.25 kilograms. And we are done.